Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing a clear baseline. Get a full eye exam and write down refraction in diopters and acuity like 20/40. Once done, adjust lighting and start the 20-20-20 rule to cut strain. Next, perform focused eye exercises, palming and near-to-far focus, for 10 minutes twice daily. These stimulate ciliary muscle control and improve attention. Make sure to use corrective lenses only as prescribed while you start this regimen, because consistency matters for adaptive changes. Now intensify training to retrain accommodation and tracking. Use progressive focus. Hold at 15-30 cm, then shift to 3-6 m in 3 sets of 10 reps. This restores dynamic focusing. Once comfortable, add contrast reading and saccade drills to refine neural control and reading speed. Parallel to exercises, optimize lifestyle, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, take omega-3 around 1 g daily, and manage blood sugar and blood pressure, because vascular health directly affects retinal function and recovery. To finish, consolidate gains by moving to a maintenance routine, 15-20 minutes daily, and record visual acuity weekly to monitor progress. If you experience persistent blur, double vision, or pain, stop exercises immediately, rest for 48 hours, and consult your eye care professional because those signs may indicate overload or underlying pathology. Make sure to use corrective spectacles for driving and safety while retraining, and schedule a formal reassessment with an optometrist at 3 months to adjust treatment or prescriptions as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.